The rapid advancement of large AI models has significantly accelerated the biopharmaceutical industry. However, challenges are emerging: downstream wet lab validation, difficult process development, and severe model homogeneity. These issues are severely hindering industrial upgrading. On one hand, the number of candidates to screen is exploding exponentially. On the other, experimental validation remains slow and inefficient, greatly undermining market competitiveness. Kangma-Healthcode D2Pi AutoLab cell-free intelligent manufacturing system, combined with our self-developed D2P technology and high-throughput capabilities, delivers a breakthrough. It can express over 300 proteins in just 3 hours, accelerating screening. The expression system can be flexibly scaled up for easier production. Proteins produced are fresher with higher activity. Kangma-Healthcode D2Pi AutoLab, powered by our proprietary D2P technology, presses the accelerator for biopharmaceutical industrialization, boosting your market competitiveness and helping you seize the initiative.